BC, the Persian king Xerxes invaded Greece with over 100,000 soldiers. To stop them, King Leonidas led just 300 Spartan warriors to a narrow pass called Thermopylae. He was indeed a great leader. The Spartans fought with unmatched discipline, turning the narrow passage into a wall of death. Wave after wave, the Persian army attacked and failed. But then a Greek trader revealed a hidden path behind the Spartans, surrounded with no escape. The Spartans knew they would never return home. So Leonidas and his warriors chose to fight to the death, becoming legends forever.